Hello, welcome to I Love Stocks. Today we're going to talk about a little company called HEXO, and I want to bring you this little 2-minute video, and then we'll go right into the chart. But they had a merger today, and we'll kind of talk about that too. So let's just go ahead and play this. State of the art. Make beverages. There you go. Well, today they had some news. HEXO to buy Zenabis Zetabis. If you from Canada, you probably say that Z with a Z. Zetabis in latest tie-up in cannabis sector that's seeing the burst in the EMA activity. So I think this is going to be a pretty good little merger for them, as we were saying last year, that a lot of these cannabis companies are going to start merging together, becoming stronger. We got Tilray and APHA, and you're just going to see a lot more of that coming around the corner. So we're pretty excited about this stock right now with this merger, and you could pull it up in the news if you wanted to. You could probably find it, HEXO to buy Zenabis right here, and then it has a little story that you can probably read up about it, saying how much they paid for it. So we're going to go ahead and pull up the chart right now and have a look at it. It had a nice little breakout. I'm going to pull up the 20-day and look at the 20-day. You can tell we've had a pretty good 20-day run. She ran up here for a couple weeks and had that big pull up back last week. Found a little support level right down in here at 728. So that's where we're going to kind of chalk a line right there, and then I'm going to put another support right here at 810. Have that sitting there in case it does pull back. These are going to be your two entries, and then we're going to have a pivot point in this channel. And why I call this channel is because we got this little head and shoulders here, and then she reversed back up. She held that neckline and broke that neckline, and that's right here around 810. So that's what I'm going to call the neckline on this. These two other supports are going to be a strong buy if we do hit that 728 or that 765. Now she could keep running on up and hit a double top up here at a resistance of 1149. So I'm going to keep trying to find me little spots up in here that I think that would be resistance levels, and one of them's right here. I can see that real well at 938. You see where it pulled back here, and then we had that consolidation right in here for that day that found support here at that 938 level. And then our next one's going to be right up in here, right around the 980. and we're just going to keep walking the dog, as they would say, and she's going to walk it right up here about 1021, and these are going to be like your little resistance levels to get to, and then kind of smothers up in here. So I'm just going to kind of let that have a free-for-all and call this one right here a resistance level. So the support levels, if it does pull back, and this is the first one right here at 855, where it had this little consolidation, and then it had that breakout. So the four support levels with a strong buy at 728. You got that first support at 855, 810, and 765. Now if she decides to break resistance level, and that's going to be the 938, you could see this get up to $10, maybe break to that 1021 area. First she's got to break this 981. I can see that being a pretty strong resistance, so I'm going to go ahead and put that in a red line right there at that 981 area. And then she'll go ahead and double top later on here, probably in a couple weeks, once this news settles a little bit. But I do still have the momentum behind the cannabis sector, and I'm still on it. I traded Cron today, and I traded Sundial. I swung both of them, took profit in them, and then I didn't jump into this HEXO like I should have. But that's will be a trade for me tomorrow if it does pull back to this 810. It's a real strong support, and I'm going to go ahead and put that in here. Why? Because we consolidated there for a couple of days. Let me put that red line. We consolidated in here for about 4 days into this channel, and that was a little resistance level, and then we couldn't break it again here. So to me, that is a solid support at 810, and if I can take it at 810, I'll run it up and try to break this resistance here at 981. Well, that's HEXO. I hope everybody had a great day trading today. It was kind of an unusual day. Things were breaking out and pulling back. And always remember, take your trades on your own risk. I'm just here to kind of give you a little bit of support and a few ideas where I think I'm going to take my trade. We do have a Twitter account. Miss Vegas is always posting alerts in here. As you can see, it wouldn't be hurt to go ahead and follow these up. Check them out. Subscribe to our channel. Also, we do have our StockTwit links right here. If you want to join us on StockTwits, please don't forget to ring that bell for future updates. Hit that like button if you like this video, and we'll catch you tomorrow. And I hope it's a better day today. In fact, here in Missouri, the temperature got down to a negative 25 degrees. And we're at a -8 right now. And that's here in Springfield, Missouri. Everybody, have a great day. We'll see you tomorrow. I love stocks.